Hey, what's up you guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a GFX for Roblox. First off, you're going to need to open up a base plate in the Create tab, and you will go and create your character that you need. And yeah, I'm going to pause the video real quick and load it up. Alright, now that we are in the base plate, we can go ahead and get this plugin. If you don't know what plugins are, there are great things where you can make it easier for yourself to build stuff. Basically, I'll link this in the description to get, and yeah, so I'm gonna use it. So I'm gonna type in my username, which is Dreaded Glory, and you want this to be checked with the X, and you want to spawn in with R6 because that's easier. So I'm gonna pause the video and wait for it to load. So when your character loads in, you can do anything to it. So I'm just gonna go here. I'm gonna unclick it, and I'm actually gonna tilt the head. So what I'm doing is I'm gonna select the hats and the head, go home, go to rotate. Rotate it a little bit. I'm gonna move it like that. And then yeah. So you could do anything with the limbs, you can move them around. So I'm gonna pause the video and I'm gonna do all that. So I have finished the rotation and detail of the character. So what you're gonna want to do is you want to right click on the model. You want to hit export selection, and then what you want to do is you want to save it. So I'm gonna save it to my GFX folder, because that's what I saved all of it to, and it's gonna be object model dot object. So I'm gonna name it Dreaded Glory GFX, just to make it easy. Then I'm gonna save it, and once it saves, we can get out of this, discard it, and I'm gonna open Blender real quick. So I'm gonna pause the video. Now that I have Blender open, I can click off that to get that off the screen, and you'll see a cube. Just hit X and click delete to get that away. To move around, hold Shift and F, and then you can use the WASD keys. And then to get off that, hit enter, so you can use your mouse. So to get the camera view, you hit 0 on your number pad keyboard, I guess, and then hit Shift F, and then you can move around where you want to take your photo of your character. So I'm just gonna move it to there, and yeah. Okay, so to put your character in there, you hit open. You go to file and you hit open. Then I'm gonna go to my that, and hold on, where did it save? Open, reset saves. I'm gonna find it real quick and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I know what I did wrong. You don't want to hit the open. You want to go here to import, and you want to go down to where it says wavefront.object obj in the parentheses. Click that, and then it should show up, and I named it Dreaded Glory GFX. So you want to double click the one that says .obj, not the MTL. So double click it. It should load in, but it doesn't have the texture yet. So what you want to do is you want to go down to this little white ball and click texture, and it will be like that. So yeah, the next thing you want to do is, if you want it to be a logo, you want to make it 800 by 800. Now if I position the camera right, that's where I want the image to be. That's what I want it to look like. So yeah. Now that that's done, you want to go to this little world right here, you want to click ambient occlusion, environment lighting, and indirect lighting. You can change the lighting. I'm going to make it 1.2 because I don't want it that bright. And what else you want to do is you want to go to, hold on, I gotta find which one it is. It's I'm gonna pause the video and find what I'm looking for. Okay guys, you want to go to the little camera, scroll down and click that, the drop down of shading, and where it says alpha sky, you want to make it transparent. And after that's done, you want to go down. If you're done with everything and you did the following, you want to go down here to where it says no, up here to where it says render, and you want to render the image. And this is what it's going to be like. Looks pretty good. So then you want to go down here where it says image, and you want to hit save as image. And then I'm going to save it to my GFX folder, and I'm going to name it Dreaded Glory, GFX, and then parentheses official, so that I know. Never mind. I'm just gonna name it that, and I'm gonna hit save as image. And yeah, now that that's done, we can quit, and then we can open up. Where is it? It's paint.net. You want to open up paint.net. If you don't have paint.net, I'll link the download in the description. So I'm going to pause the video real quick and open it up. Alright, I have opened up paint.net, and now, first off, what you want to do is you want to come up here to where it says image, canvas size, and you want to leave the width the same, but you want to change the height to 800, and you want to hit OK. So now it's like this. So go up to file, or this little file folder, and you want to click the one that you just saved from Blender. You want to hit open, and there's your character. And now we need to find a background to use. So I'm going to use, oops, what did I just do? Let me make that full screen. We're going to use a purple pastel, or a purple galaxy. So I'm going to look that up, and I'm going to find one. Okay, so I found one that's pretty cool without a watermark. You want to get one without a watermark because then you can merely see it, but yeah. So what you want to do now is you want to right click the image and hit copy. Then you want to go back into paint.net, go to this little glass looking thing with the green plus sign, and add a new layer, and then you just want to hold it and move it down below the background. And then you want to hit Control V on your keyboard and hit keep canvas size, and then hit Control and use your scroll thing on your mouse, and then resize it down a little bit, and then zoom back in, then just move it to where you want it to be, and then bam, it's finished. Then you want to go here, hit save as, and then I'm going to save it to my GFX folder, and I'm going to name it Dreaded Glory GFX official. And then you want to go to here where it says paint.net.pdn, and you want to make it a PNG or else it won't work. See, that's where all the others are. And all the officials are the actual like finished ones. So I'm going to save it, and don't do anything here, just hit OK, hit flatten, and then you can upload it to your YouTube and you'll be done. Thanks for watching.